In today's video, I have a pole saw chain that decided to literally come off the bar there. So I'm going to teach you how to put it back on. So I took a 13 millimeter socket and I unloosened this part there and I just took it off. From there, all that was the black part that was kind of holding it on. I took that part off. And it just kind of comes off pretty easily. I took the chain off. So I'm showing you here, this is with a flathead screwdriver. What that does, it loosens and tightens that. So I just wanted to show you for the purposes of this video what that does. And that's going to be what I use to tighten the bar. First, you're going to have to loosen it so you can actually fit the chain back on, as I'll show you here. But that's really all you have to do. To be honest, you actually don't even really have to, if you see your chain getting a little loose, you just want to tighten it. But just because it came off, you're pretty much going to have to, do these steps where you're going to have to take it off the bar and chain. But here it is. I had to completely take it off and loosen it all the way. Here I am tightening, as you could see. I apologize. The focus just in this video just didn't focus. It's going to be like that for, a little bit more in the video. But as you can see, though, as I tighten it, that chain is actually getting tighter. And that's pretty much, all that you're really going to have to do, really, to tighten that. If your chain comes off, you're going to have to take, the entire part off. But for the most part, if you're just trying to tighten your chain, that's literally all you need, is a flathead to tighten that back on. So pretty, like I said, pretty easy. Putting the cover back on, and then I'm also just gonna, the nut that was on there, that I used my socket wrench for, I'm putting that, and I'm hand tightening that nut back on there right now. You kind of can't see it because my arm's in the way, but I'm just hand tightening that socket using my socket wrench to tighten that all the way down. I wouldn't over torque it. I would just kind of get it, nice and snug. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not too hard of a job. But for the most part, if it does come off like that, you just want to make sure that you take it off and take a video of it working just like it should. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.